Hey YouTubers, I've got a comparison video here for everybody. This is flat top grill versus flat top grill. We've got Camp Chef on the left and BlackStone on the right. That's the 36-inch grill for BlackStone. Has been re-seasoned prior to this video. Also, real quick, please excuse any of the mess in the background. We're doing construction and renovation. I'm still working on getting projects done. It's just been too cold to film outside, too windy, or snowing. And yeah, this is a little warmer environment. So I'm going to try and make this video as, decent amount of time, but it is going to run about the 5-minute mark. So sorry for that. These are both nice grills and they deserve credit. They're, pros and cons to each, but obviously they're both really nice for the price. So they're both flat top grills. I used to call them a griddle grill, but I never got used to the term flat top until I really started having these. And I didn't really get to cook on that one very much because I'm always working, 6-7 days a week. But regardless, this one has some really nice features. They've really done some really good stuff on here. And, I really like some of the features they've done compared to the BlackStone. So this one has folding shelves that lock in place with these brackets here, and I really like that. And this is for your drip tray, which is down here, really nice and sturdy, where on the BlackStone these shelves are kind of loose. Now they will hold quite a bit. I will have to double check and make sure they're real tight and everything, but the drip tray on this thing is just mediocre, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people have modified the grill, bending this down for the drip channel on the flat top. Or there's mods you can buy now, I've seen on Amazon. And as far as the performance on them, I'm going to cook on them in another video for you guys and gals out there. And, real quick, I want to mention that on this one being pre-seasoned, I kind of like to be able to season my own. But that's just a personal preference because I use a lot of organics. And I used organic cooking oil on this. I re-seasoned it with organic flaxseed oil. And, I like that, being able to do that. That's just one of my things. So, as far as the drip trays and grill tops, go, this one has a shallower channel, where this one's real deep and pronounced. And you can see, my only thing is this little piece of metal right down in that hole there going across. I would worry about debris getting caught on that. And that would be my big thing. Now, this one does have the option for grill grates underneath. I'm not really worried about all that. You do have wider shelves that are fixed. These don't go anywhere. This one, it's okay. It's sturdy once you get it all screwed in and tightened down. And then you've only got the one. I actually liked having two. That's kind of nice. So that, for contrast between the two on that, I really like having two shelves. Now, as far as movability, you've only got those two wheels back there on the other side there. You can't see it in the video here, and then you've got permanent feet. I like those rolling casters that lock, and I like these wheels that, I can move this thing. And that's what I like about the BlackStone's feet and wheels. You can move it, and it just goes everywhere. But that being said, the tank mount on this is a little harder to get that tank and that little tiny lip in there and then hang it up here at the same time. My opinion, if you're trying to get this done so you can get stuff cooking, this one has the bracket up here you can see, and then down at the bottom, I'll pull the tank away here and you can kind of see it right there. It has a little lip too, but it's a lot easier to get it in there. And then same thing on this side, the shelf folds down, but it also locks in there. You can see that. There's a positive lip right in here where it locks in place. And that's the same on both sides. So I really like that. And as far as controls, you have piezo ignition, electronic ignition. These have a little bit more control over the gas valve. From this one, medium and high are kind of about the same in my opinion. I think you have a little more control in the BlackStone, but it's kind of hard to tell too because of the way the grill is constructed on this one. It's just a little different. So that's pretty much the comparison. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll answer any questions I can. Please subscribe, like, and share. It helps the channel out a lot, especially nowadays that YouTube is changing an awful lot. So thank you for watching. Have a good one, and don't work too hard. Bye.